Hello everyone. I was going to get on here a couple of days ago and go ahead and get this filmed, but between real life work and everything else, I just hadn't. So I'm getting on here today, today is my Sunday, which is y'all's Friday. So as of tomorrow, the new collab with Gracie21 and a bunch of others start. And what it is it's a collab where you make something out of the House of the Mouse stamps. You can see the picture that is the House of Mouse designs. It's the little, 5 little, I think they're mice. I think I heard that there was a rabbit too. I'm not sure what they are, but they're cute. And there's, I want to say there's 15 of us that are doing it, and once a month we'll post on it, which is the 3rd Saturday of every month. We'll post whatever we done, whatever kind of card we done, or pocket letter, anything that we done with one of the House of Mouse stamps. And you can use one stamp, you can use multiple stamps, whatever. If you're one of my subscribers and you want to join in with us, you're more than welcome to. Just tag the collab and everything in the drop down. I'll have all the collab people that are there. Be sure to go to those channels and look there. I know there's going to be a lot of really cute things. I'm excited to see what everybody does with the stamps and everything, and which stamps they use, because there's some really cute stamps. I personally don't have a lot of stamps. When my mom came down, she gave me some, and then she gave me 2 sets of the House of Mouse, which I will show you which ones those are when I use them. This one that I'll be using today is one that I bought off of Amazon, and I really enjoyed it. I'm not so happy with what I created. Not that I don't like it, it's just I knew I could have done better, but it was all I could really think of right now. Each month has a theme, so to say, and this one was Christmas. And since it's been snowing here, well, not snowing here, since it's been cold here, winter is not something I've wanted to even think about, do, or anything. I just want it to get a little bit warmer. So hopefully those warm days are coming. Not warm, but warmer. So I want to get on here and show you what I did for this collab. So this is the House of the Mouse, and I'm going to show you the stamp I got. I got this stamp off of Amazon. Zoom out just a little bit. So it was that stamp. To me, I would have used this. You could have used this for a birthday, for anything like that. But I couldn't think really wintry, so this is what I came up with. It's not my best, but it'll get better. So what I did is I created a card, and I colored those with my alcohol markers that I got off of Amazon. If you're interested in that, I will leave the link to those markers in the drop down below. And I colored it. I'm still new to coloring with them. I love them, but there's not that much of a variety for them. But you can mix some of the colors together to get other colors, which is what I like. So it's just white cardstock, and then I put a blue cardstock behind that. I popped him up on with the, I can't think, the foam tape, whatever. And then I added that. I got that out of my stash. It was actually on a gift tag. Then I added the silver washi to kind of tie everything in a little bit more. And then I done snowflakes that are white and silver snowflakes on the coloring page and the blue. So I'm not so sure you can see all of them. There you go, it's a little bit better. But so I'll see if I can zoom in and if it'll show it a little better. There you go. It's a little better, but so this was my winter theme. It's just a simple card, a basic card. One of the first ones that I've actually done by myself with just pulling everything from my stash. I inked the edges. I left it blank inside so I could write whatever I wanted to in there, and I can use it whenever. And then on the back, I just put that. So, short and sweet, but this is my collab for the House of Mouse stamp collab with Gracie21 and some other great YouTubers. So, if you have any, pardon me, if you have any ideas of things to do with them, or just your ideas, you can send me a message. If you want to join, just tag the House of Mouse collab with Gracie in it, and you're welcome to pitch in and show me. Just make sure you send me a message or link your thing below so I can go check yours out, and the rest of the other people will be in the drop down. So I know everyone, this is their weekend, their starting of their weekend, so I hope everyone has a good weekend. It's going to be my Monday tomorrow, so I'll be going back to work. A bummer, but it is what it is. It happens. So I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend.